Okay. Bears.
Cat.
Good job.
Puppies.
Oh, yeah, puppy, dog.
Mm-hmm.
How does a dog make?
Woof woof.
Woof woof. What's that?
Ella.
Ella. And what sound does the Ella make? What sound? What's it? That's it. What's that?
Crack.
Frog. What sound does a frog make?
Look, look.
Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. You know what this is? Remember? It's a goat. Goat. What's that?
Goose.
Horse. Yes. Do you remember what sound the horse makes?
Ee.
Yeah. Let's see what else we got here.
He knows kangaroo.
Oh, does it?
Yay.
Lion. Yes. What sound does the lion make?
Wow.
Yeah. What's that?
Monkey.
And what sound does a monkey make?
Look.
What about... What's that?
Cooper.
What?
Gator.
Kanga. Yeah, kangaroo. And what does the kangaroo do?
Me.
What?
Gator.
Does the kangaroo go hop, hop, hop? Hop, hop, hop. Let's see. What about that?
Owl.
What sound does the owl do?
Woo.
Hoo-hoo. And what's that?
Pig.
Pig. And what does the pig do?
Geek.
Oink, oink. What color is that pig?
Brown.
What color is it? You want to do pink, yes. Let's see, what else we got here? What's that?
Bunny.
Bunny rabbit. Yeah, what does the bunny do?
That's pop.
Hop, hop. Oh, what's that?
Turtle.
Turtle, yes. Is there any other ones you know? I don't think so. Oh, do you know what that is? We did the sound yesterday. That's a wolf. What sound does the wolf do? Do you remember from yesterday? Oh, oh, oh! The wolf. Oh, oh, oh! You do the wolf sound?
Woo.
Woof, woof. Oh, oh, oh! What color is this?
Water.
What? Water? No. What color is this?
No.
No, you don't want to do it? Okay.
Oh man, we're not gonna make it to Z.
There's the wolf sound. Does he know zebra?
I think so.
Well, he doesn't want to do it.
Okay.
Say bye-bye.
Good job.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Do bye-bye. James. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Dada.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Not interested.
Oh.
Ow, ow.
Okay, that's a good finish.